Hey, I'm Bloggin Brandi, and I've been using Wix to design my new website. And in this video, I'm showing you how to change the layout for all of your posts and category pages in your new Wix blog. The easiest way to access your blog is either from your live site. If you're on your live site, then you can select blog from your navigational menu, and this is going to take you to this main blog page, which shows all of your posts. And if you're signed in, you're going to see the option to go to your Wix website editor, and that's what this page actually looks like. So if you're in your editor, then you can select blog from the drop down menu at the top of the page, and that's going to take you here. Now, once you're actually in your editor, you're going to select the page just by clicking it, and you're going to see some options pop up to either manage posts or settings. I'm going to select settings, and then you can choose layout. Now, right now, you can see the layout on the page is side by side, but maybe you want it to look more editorial. So you have the picture on the top and the text on the bottom versus side by side where you have the text to the side and the picture to the side. Now, you can also choose things like magazine or postcard or some other options, and this is just going to change the way that the font is looking according to the picture, either over the picture or with editorial you can see it's under the picture. And then some of these are going to stretch the full width of the page depending on which of these options that you choose. Now, also, if you have category pages set up or categories set up for your post, you can do the same thing for those pages. The only catch is if you change anything on the categories page, it's going to change it for all categories pages. So you can make the categories pages different than the all posts feed, but you can't change each individual category page look and feel. So you can do that on all posts or the category pages. So we're going to leave this as side by side because I kind of like it side by side. But if you wanted to change it, all you're doing is going to settings, layout, editorial, and you can see what it looks like that way. So either way, whichever you choose is fine. But it's very easy to do. And then once you've made these changes, a lot of your changes are automatically saved as you're going along with the Wix website editor, which is great. But if they haven't saved, you can always choose to save them up here, but that if it doesn't say saved, it's going to say saved, so you can choose that option. And then you can preview your changes that you've made before you publish them and see what they actually look like on a live website with the preview button. And then once you're ready to publish those changes, you want to actually hit publish, or no one will see all of the beautiful work that you just did. You can view your website that you've created. This is the live site after the changes have been implemented. You can go to blog and see any changes that you've made. So now you know how to change the layout for your new Wix blog. If you need help, you can watch more tutorials just like this one. Check out the description below this video or visit Wix.com's Help Center. I'm Bloggin Brandi. You can reach me on social at Bloggin Brandi or find out more about me on my website, www.blogginbrandi.com.